Today I'm going out to shoot on the street with the Ricoh GR IV. My intention is to look for small details in the street, but not only that. I feel like creating around people interests me, but it's often very difficult and uncomfortable for me. I don't think it's really the fear of people's reactions. I just feel more calm when I photograph quiet things. Flowers, macro, animals in the streets, or wider moments where people are just a small part of the frame. For me, photography is a form of meditation. It's my way to feel better, to feel more calm. The world is so loud and chaotic, and sometimes it feels too much for me. When I create an image, for a moment I feel above everything, above the fear and the feeling of being overwhelmed. Sometimes I even print a small photo that I like, not to do anything with it, but just to strengthen that feeling that I created something, that I did something positive for myself today, something beautiful. The sense of meaning in this kind of meditative photography is very personal. There is no one I photograph and give the image to. No one feels the photo except me in that moment when I take it. And now when I share it with you along with how I felt. Sometimes it helps with the less pleasant feelings I have before going out to shoot. And sometimes it doesn't. That happens too. Today, I think it worked. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.